Hello and welcome to Fake You News. We fake news till we make news. This is your host Kim Jerry with an exclusive. You won't believe it because it's untrue. Almost all the hospitals in India have started serving cough syrup golgappas to their patients. These golgappas are not just tasty to eat, but they are also your medicine. You can eat as much as you want because they are good for your health. The patients are just crazy about these water balls. One patient on the deathbed was heard saying, "No one can eat just one. Dil mange more, dil mange more." Not just the patients, surgeons, doctors, nurses, ward boys. Everyone is crazy about them. People are visiting their nearby hospitals not for treatment but for these cough syrup golgappas. Thank you. End of the report. Don't forget, you never heard it on Fake You News. Fake You.